Achieving high service levels to reliably serve customers is crucial for organizations to compete and protect revenue in an increasingly volatile market. In order management, that means improving order prioritization and handling when faced with insufficient material to allocate to ensure customers are able to get the orders delivered on time. Here's how Celonis improves order processing to deliver strong service levels. Let's start with Jane, our VP of Supply Chain, who uses Celonis to track the department's core KPIs in real time against industry benchmarks. She immediately has a finger on the pulse of the core KPIs of her team. The on-time and full rate, over here sitting at 72%, is concerning as it's trending downwards. By increasing the on-time and full rate to industry standard, the department can drive $14 million worth of business impact and improve customer satisfaction. Luckily, Celonis has automatically identified the inefficiencies behind the low on-time and full rate, enabling Jane to guide her team in a targeted manner and drive intelligent execution from the top down. So Jane directs her analyst, Lisa, to take a closer look. Based on the transactional data which already exist in the underlying systems, Celonis provides Lisa with a real-time MRI of her order management process. By default, Lisa is seeing the most common path a process takes, but as she expands, she starts to see deviations. And one of the most common deviations is setting a delivery block. And each time a delivery block is set, the process is delayed by 7 days. This means we're probably delivering late. As she includes every path a sales order could take, she sees the full complexity of how the business runs. Lisa then shares this finding with the head of order management, Jen, to see if she can investigate further as delivery blocks are managed by Jen's team. Celonis helps to disentangle this complexity with Business Miner. Business Miner is a powerful version of process mining that uses a question and answer approach to rapidly deliver process insights without the need for technical training. Once the data is configured, anyone in the business can immediately take advantage of Celonis' process intelligence. Jen logs in and is presented with a list of top process-related questions from companies like hers. From here, she can create an exploration that outlines the data trends and possible root causes behind the low service levels with minimal effort. Jen selects the question, "What's your on-time delivery rate?" to examine delivery performance. Over the years, Jen has learned to be skeptical of initial KPI reports, but with Business Miner, she's able to exactly understand the inputs for the on-time delivery calculation and adjust them as needed. In this case, her teams are meeting deadlines if the actual delivery date is any time before or after the confirmed delivery date. Being able to customize the on-time delivery threshold gives her confidence that she can move forward with the analysis with accuracy. After defining the grace period, Jen is presented with an interactive and simple overview of the on-time delivery performance. Here, she can see the average annual on-time delivery rate is at about 62%. And from the chart, she sees that service level has been dropping. It is only at 48% this month. Now she wants to view regional performance. And she can see that V1 is the most heavily impacted region because it has the most sales order items with the highest net order value, but the lower than average on-time delivery rate than the other regions. This is already important information for Jen, and she wants to share it with her teams. She flags this as an insight and then quickly share it with her team. You can say, V1 needs improvement in delivery. Then V1 delivery performance, name the title, and then create the insight. Once the insight is created, we can go to the insight, and then you can click share. You can select your boss here and share it with her. She was able to first get to an insight and then shares it without needing an analyst to build out custom dashboards. Next, Jen returns to her exploration and dives deeper into her on-time delivery behavior. And this is analysis that shows the breakdown of early, late, on-time deliveries. And you can see the late delivery rate is trending upwards. And she wants to filter on the orders that are particularly late, which is 4 days. So you can select all the orders that are later than 4 days. And from here, she wants to understand which customers are particularly impacted and sees that some priority customers have been impacted by declining delivery performance. This is concerning as customer satisfaction and trust with their top customers could be impacted. Luckily, she can select the question, how can you improve your on-time delivery rate, to find recommendations by Celonis to improve delivery performance. This gives Jen an overview of value opportunities she can capture by improving delivery performance. It tells Jen the potential improvement in on-time delivery and the free cash flow impact from addressing each improvement opportunity. And the top opportunity is removing delivery blocks. By removing all the unnecessary delivery blocks, Jen's team can drive a 19% increase in on-time delivery and over 1.8 million euros of cash flow. Delivery blocks are set for good reasons, such as when there is not enough material availability for all orders. But if they're not removed promptly to continue order processing, customers could experience significant order delays. And this is where the Celonis Open Order Processing app comes in. The app intelligently prioritizes and handles all open orders in real time to give order management teams more control over situations like this. Let's see how it works. Before Celonis, Robert, our customer service lead, was prioritizing orders with a combination of first in, first out, and constant fire drills. Things have changed with Celonis. Now, he logs in and sees a personalized dashboard where all his open orders are listed for him, ranked by urgency. For each of these open orders, Celonis highlights open inefficiencies. Robert takes a closer look at the top inefficiency of blocked orders due to large volumes and gets a list of priority customer orders that needs to be dispatched immediately. Robert selects all the orders in this list and removes the delivery block in a couple clicks for immediate expediting. Without Celonis, Robert would have had to manually conduct checks on blocked orders or miss these orders altogether due to high order volumes and lack of intelligent prioritization. Now, Robert's able to process the most urgent orders at speed and remove roadblocks in real time to improve delivery performance. We just saw how Celonis enabled the team to drive intelligent action to improve on-time and full performance. Jane, our VP of Supply Chain, used Celonis to keep her finger on the pulse of her order management team in real time. From there, the process analyst Lisa discovered root causes like delivery blocks that's leading to late deliveries. Next, Jen, our head of order management, used Business Miner to easily discover and share insights into the order management process without technical training. Finally, Robert, the customer service lead, used Celonis to take critical action on customer orders to improve delivery performance. By driving more efficient execution, Celonis has helped the team operate with more control over the order management process by quickly driving on-time delivery improvements to improve service levels.